Pickling vegetables is extremely quick and easy. Along with increased shelf life, pickled vegetables retain their vitamins and minerals and delivers a bunch of probiotics. We will begin by cleaning and cutting any vegetables that you would like. I'll be using carrots, cucumber, and beetroot. You can cut them in any shape or size you'd prefer. I normally keep them at least half a centimeter wide. This makes it easier to store and serve. To make brine, set a pot on medium heat. Add a cup of vinegar, a cup of water, a bay leaf, 2 cloves, and a tablespoon or 2 of stevia. You can also alternate this with sugar. Stir until the stevia dissolves. Add salt and bring it all to a boil. Once done, take it off the heat and let it cool. Add the vegetables to a clean jar. A glass or ceramic is the best for this process. I always pickle the beetroot separately since anything I add to it will become red. A sprig of rosemary in the beetroot, and just a little bit of thinly sliced ginger to both the jars will add a bit more flavor. Finish off by adding the brine to the jars while leaving approximately an inch of space at the top. After about an hour, these pickled vegetables are ready to go. Serve them in a sandwich or a wrap. This just makes meal prep a lot more easy and tasty. And it keeps in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It always means a lot when you do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.